Kinder Playtime! Yay!
Welcome to Kinder Playtime!
We have Glitzy Globes!
Emily's so excited because we have Glitzy Globes for you today! Yay! So, this is the Disney Princess Spin and Sparkle Castle. You can make Princess Glitzy Globes and little cute animal Glitzy Globes. It's gonna be fun. This is our first Glitzy Globe set, so we're really excited. Ready?
Yeah. Look at all these pieces.
You're so pretty.
Look at these.
Let's put it together.
Yeah, I was little.
Who do we have, Emily?
And Ariel and Belle and Aurora and a squirrel and a flounder and a bird.
So cute.
He's so cute.
Here's our Spin and Sparkle Castle. It's so cute.
My treasure chest.
It comes with a treasure chest.
Put all these animals in there.
Yep, so we can make our Glitzy Globes in there. It comes with 3 little Glitzy Globes, and you can make a big triple throne Glitzy Globe that you can spin all the glitter around in. It's really cool looking. So this is really cute. So it only comes with the 3 little ones, but you can add other Glitzy Globes to it, and there's lots of different places you can put your Glitzy Globes on this castle. It was really super easy to put together. It only took about 5 minutes or less. So super easy, super cute. Really excited to do this. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start with our big Glitzy Globe. The first thing you do is put your princesses on their thrones. So where do you want to put your princesses?
Right here.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ariel's getting the pink one. And just stick them right on.
No.
And Aurora, where do you want to put her? On the tall one? You want to do it? And I'll put Belle on the purple one.
Okay.
Got it? Good job. So there's our princesses on their thrones. Now we need to put the thrones on this stone pedestal. Squish them on there real good so they don't fall off. Now there's a gold pillar that goes in the middle. Perfect. So now we're gonna put this on here, and this is the part with the seal to keep all the water in.
Yeah.
Just like that. Here's our Glitzy Globe glitter pellets. They're so cool. For this one, we're gonna put the big one in. You wanna put it in, Emily?
Yeah.
Put it right next to their thrones. Ooh, that's a lot of glitter. Ooh, you don't stick it on, you just stick it right here. There we go. And now you just put the globe on top and push down. Now all you have to do is add the water. It comes with this really cool Glitzy Globe water filler thing. This isn't gonna be enough water to fill your big globe all the way, but we have plenty of water and we're ready to do it. You ready, Emmy?
Yeah.
Take the top off. Need help?
Yeah.
There you go. And now you put it in here and you squeeze. Almost done. Want to fill it all the way up. There we go. Just clean up our little mess here and then cork it so the water stays in. And now you spin the top to make the glitter go everywhere. And your princesses spin. Wow. Spin it, Emmy. Wow. That's a lot of glitter, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it on our castle. That is too pretty.
We're doing the animals now.
Let's do our little glitzy globes now. Who do you want to do first? Flounder?
Yeah.
Okay, put him on his pedestal.
I want to do myself.
Okay. And we'll put these two on theirs. Oh, these are cute. Okay.
They're so cute and little. I was famous. I was a flounder.
Your favorite is Flounder?
Yeah.
Okay, Emily, let's open our treasure chest. Which one do you want to do first?
Flounder.
Okay, Flounder goes over here. Oh, let me see him. Flounder goes over here. And we'll put a little glitzy globe pellet in here, I think. Yep. And then you fill it up with water.
I want to do that.
Okay. Here we go. And now you close it and squish it.
And shake it. And
Wow! It's our very first little glitzy globe.
let's do the squirrel.
And the little glitter pellet will dissolve and it'll be all glittery and fun. Yay! Flounder's so glittery.
Yeah.
Who's next, Emily?
Bird.
The bird.
Yeah.
You squish him on. Whoop! Just like that.
Yeah.
And put the water in. And close it and squish it down. Ah. Glitzy globe!
He's so cloudy.
Whoa, look at all the sparkles.
Let's do the squirrel.
Last is the squirrel. Squish it. Wow! Shake, 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 shake it. Shake, 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 shake it.
So cloudy.
Shimmery squirrel. Now that we have all our glitzy globes made, we can put them in our castle. There's lots of different places you can put them.
I want to go one.
Here, do the bird. Where do you want to put the bird?
Right here.
Wow.
So
And there's one right here. And there's a place up here. Okay, let's put them all up here and spin them.
what do you do?
It's like a carousel. Whee! And there's places over here.
Yeah, I want to do the squirrel.
He's a cute squirrel. Here, put him over here.
I'm going to do it here.
That's a big window for a little squirrel. Woo! Glittery flounder. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
We really enjoyed this Glitzy Globe spin and sparkle castle. What was your favorite part?
This one.
The whole castle. It's so pretty and it's cool that you can put all your little Glitzy Globes everywhere.
Yeah.
I just liked doing it together with you, Emily. That was fun. And it was messy. We got all wet.
Yeah.
Isn't that silly?
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. We're so sparkly. Leave us a like. Write us a comment. And subscribe. Click the link for more Kinder Playtime videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!